I went out and got me a HelloFresh box. Now, I have not had one of these in a super long time. This is not sponsored, by the way. But I'm going to try it out again and see how it is. Especially given the fact that sometimes I be needing quick meals to take for lunch and I don't have anything to think of. So, we're going to see what's in here. I'm sure many of you received these before, so you guys know how the box and the packaging go. So let's see. What we got in here is garlicly fried chicken sandwiches and sweet potato fries. That's one of the meals. And then we got creamy dill pork fillet with couscous and green beans. That's one of the other meals. And we have pub style shepherd's pie. Could have sworn I chose not to receive this one, but they still seem to have given it to me anyway. So we have that. And then the other one is spicy coconut curry pork noodle soup. I don't even think I picked this one. But those are the 4 meals. Of course, we come freshly packed in our instantly packages. Each little section. So this is the garlicly fried chicken. This is the pub shepherd pie. This is the creamy dill pork option for cutlets. This is the spicy curry chicken. And they were offering like a free breakfast thing, so it was bacon is what I chose. So this little thing of bacon. And then we have our big thing of this. And then we have ground beef for the sandwiches. Yeah, that's 4. You know what? The ground beef is probably with more than one thing. Then this is our chicken cutlets, which goes with that one. The pork tenderloin, which goes with this one. And ground pork, I'm going to assume is going to go with the shepherd's pie, I guess. Because the ground beef is got to go with the chicken sandwiches. No. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm going to have to look at this. Oh, look at the recipes. Let's see. Garlic fried chicken. So the chicken cutlet goes with this, the sandwiches, and then the pork fillet. I don't know pork fillet. I got ground pork and pork tenderloin. Let's see. Ground beef goes with the shepherd's pie. Which is this one. Pork fillet. Okay, ground pork goes with the curry soup. So ground pork goes with the curry soup, which is this one. So this goes with this and this goes with this. Okay, there we go. We're all together. Now each one of these meals takes, this one's 5 minutes prep, 15 minutes to cook, which is the pork soup. And then this one is 10 minutes prep, 45 minutes to cook, which is the shepherd pie, which needs to go in the oven. And then 5 minutes to prep, 30 minutes to cook. That's because you got to cook that tenderloin. And then this one is 5 minutes to prep, 30 minutes to cook. So there you go. That's all I'm gonna give you guys right now for this. Now I'm gonna go put it in my refrigerator. I mean, well, each one of them, let's see, in case you don't know, each one of them comes with all the ingredients needed to make the whole meal. So you have the cheese, and you have the seasonings, and the tomato sauce, and the parmesan. You got your potatoes, which you gotta chop up and cook. You even got your onion in here, and your celery is in here, and a carrot. I haven't seen a carrot like that in so long. So we're gonna put the what did I say this went with this? Ground beef. So we're gonna put that in there. This one seems to be about the simplest meal because it's got the least ingredients. You got your buns and your carrots. Oh, it's carrots, not sweet potatoes. I thought it was carrots. And breadcrumbs. That'd be it. And that got a little sausage that I'm sure I'm not gonna eat. This one, which is, I don't know what this is, but we'll figure it out. And then the ramen noodles. We even got a little bit of coconut milk. We got the lime. Meat in there. Voila, and he's done. And this can be recycled apparently. Clean and dry, set aside. Empty non-toxic contents into trash and dry. Set aside. Don't recycle meat with your curbside items. Recycle at plastics. Something. That's dry ice. Keep stuff cold. So I'm going to put this in my little cabinet over here. So I know where they are. And then these are just like the normal coupons and stuff they give you. Special offers. Blah, 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 blah. And I'm going to go put these in the refrigerator.